digital security is very serious. People don't realize it, that if someone hacks your account, gets personal private information, this could lead to problems with your physical security as well.
It's easier to really being a victim of cyber attack than a victim of a crime that happens at your home.
You go to a coffee shop and you're surfing the Wi-Fi, and a hacker can get in between you and your Wi-Fi connection, and that can create a lot of vulnerabilities, a lot of problems.
There is somebody that breaks into your network, or you're giving them pretty much they can go and access any content.
They've gained that information that they need to be able to track them, to follow them, and this can lead right to your doorstep.
I say, Grandma, install this thingy on your computer and it'll protect all of your traffic and keep people from stealing your bank account info.
If somebody is trying to attack you, they wouldn't find your address. They wouldn't know where you're coming from.
I like that we have millions of people who use our product, and we have millions of people who find it useful every day.